Today I am making a comforting Gujarati classic dal dhokli. It's a delicious combination of creamy dal and soft spicy dhokli pieces. I am making my own version with a little twist because I prefer lighter, less mashed dal. It's tangy, slightly sweet, spicy and so comforting. A complete one-pot meal that is perfect for a cozy day. If you try my version of dal dhokli, do let me know how you like it. First, I am taking half a cup of toor dal and half a cup of moong dal. I washed them really well and added water, a little oil and salt. Usually dal dhokli is made mainly with toor dal and the dal is cooked really soft. But I am using half toor and half moong because it feels lighter for me. I am also adding some peanut and cooking everything in the pressure cooker for about 2 whistles. Meanwhile, let's prepare the dhokli. Plate I am taking 1 cup wheat flour and half cup besan. I am adding cumin powder, coriander powder, crushed ajwain, salt, chopped coriander and mix everything well. Add little oil in a flour. Mix everything well, then gradually add water and knead it into a soft dough just like a chapati dough. Pour some oil on dough and knead it again. Keep the dough aside for a little while. Now let's check our dal. Open the cooker and remove peanuts out. Give the dal a good mix. Now heat some oil in a kadai. Add mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Once fluttered, saute well. Then add sliced green chili, curry leaves, chopped ginger and chopped garlic and sliced onions. Stir everything until it becomes nice and aromatic. Add hing and mix everything well. Add chopped tomatoes and a little salt. And cook until the tomatoes become soft and the masala smells amazing. Now add coriander powder and garam masala. Add turmeric and kolhapuri masala. Mix everything well. Add this cooked dal to our masala along with the boiled peanut. Add water. Mix everything well and let it come to a nice boil. Now knead the dough once again and divide it into 3 portions. Take one portion, roll it out slightly thick just like a thick chapati. Then cut it into a small diamond shaped pieces. And here comes the important part. Once the dal is boiling nicely, gently add the dhokli pieces one by one. Now I am adding some lemon juice for that lovely tangy flavor. Add some salt and half corianders. Don't mix immediately. Let the dhokli float and cook first so the pieces don't stick together. After 10 minutes, check the dhokli, add some more fresh coriander and let it cook for another few minutes so the dhokli absorb all those delicious flavors. Finally, our Gujarati Dal Dhokli is ready. Look at that beautiful, comforting bowl of dal with soft, flavorful dhokli pieces. I am serving it hot with some chopped onions and fresh coriander on top. It's tangy, slightly sweet, spicy, and so comforting.